A trader sells tomatoes and onions at the market. She makes 5,000 francs. But how many of each did she sell? Today, we turn real-life stories into equations. A word problem is a real-life situation described in words. Our job is to translate the words into a mathematical equation, then solve it to find the answer. Here are the key words to look for. Is means equals. More than means plus. Less than means minus. Times or of means multiply. Learn these like vocabulary. Always start by choosing a letter for what you don't know. We call this the unknown, right? Let x equal whatever you are looking for. This is your first step every time. Example 1. Amina is 5 years older than Binta. Together their ages are 31. Let Binta's age be x. Then Amina's age is x plus 5. Add their ages. X plus 5 equals 31. That gives 2x plus 5 equals 31. Subtract 5, then divide by 2. Binta is 13 and Amina is 18. Always check. 13 plus 18 is 31. Example 2 with an inequality. A football costs 3 times a ball pump. Together they cost 4,800 francs. The pump costs more than 1,000 francs. Find possible prices. Let the pump cost x. Then x plus 3x equals 4,800. So 4x equals 4,800 and x equals 1,200. Check the inequality. 1,200 is greater than 1,000. It works. The pump is 1,200 is greater than 1,000. It works. The pump is 1,200 francs. Common mistake. Students confuse more than with times. 5 years older means plus 5, not times 5. Read the problem twice. Ask yourself, am I adding or multiplying? Remember these 5 steps. Read the problem. Let x be the unknown. Write the equation. Solve it. Then always check your answer fits the original words. Read, let, write, solve, check. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons just like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com and keep learning every day.